US version iPhone 12 Pro Max was designed with a eSIM and a physical SIM card to support dual SIMs. But can we convert it to a dual physical SIM card? Now let's take a look how to make it happen. In the setting page, we can confirm it's an US version 12 Pro Max according to the model number. And from ICC ID, we know that it supports only one SIM card. After version confirmation, let's power off the phone. Eject the SIM tray. Unbolt two pentalobe bottom screws. Heating up screen with CPB heating station. Adjust the temperature to 80 Celsius degree and last for 2 minutes. After heating, insert the knife and prep screen. Slide around with plastic crowbar to separate the screen. Take off metal shield and disconnect all flexes. Remove screen from board. Apply high temperature adhesive on Face ID module to prevent its damage by static during repair. This time we don't need to reform motherboard, so we can just take out a SIM card slot. The left is dual physical SIM tray and slot, and the right is single SIM tray and slot. Because both SIM slots have same size and flex, we can replace it directly. Install dual physical SIM slot. Bolt screws back on metal shield. Connect the SIM slot flex to motherboard. Remove high temperature adhesive. Apply new waterproof adhesive. Remove extra films. Connect the screen with the motherboard. Install all metal shields and screws back. Press the screen to fit housing and bolt the bottom screws back. Take the dual physical SIM tray. Put two SIMs in and install it back to iPhone. Now let's power on and test if dual SIM works. From shortcuts, we can see two SIM signals now. Enter setting cellular. We can see two phone numbers and can set the primary SIM now. Enter setting general about. We can see both SIMs information here. Both SIMs work well. The dual SIM conversion completed easily and fast. It's very simple to convert US version iPhone 12 Pro Max with dual physical SIMs. Just replace SIM slot with a dual SIM version can make it work. With same method, we can convert US version iPhone 12 and 12 Pro to dual physical SIM. However, iPhone 12 mini doesn't support because it's own design. With US version iPhone 12 mini, we need a solder physical SIM chip on the motherboard. It's difficult to handle and require high skill. We might do this in future videos. Please subscribe our channel and stay tuned with us.